welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna share beautiful ways to make fun and fun cards inspired from Christmas and also with some happy accidents. So without much explanation, let's get started. But first, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video if you like this kind of video. So first of all, I have taken two square of paper sheet and I have double bordered it. Now I am drawing the rough sketch because I am bad at direct drawing. So I know it is very light, but I'll just color it so that it looks better. And yeah, I'm making a strawberry wearing a Santa hat. And my first struggle, the framing was not good. I know the yellow seed type, what I don't know what it is called, so I'm making those, some textures, and another struggle. I mean, why for me only? My life is full of struggles, especially while doing DIYs. Anyways, after all those struggles, I started proceeding on the facial features and started coloring the elements which I have made on the greenish grass, or here it is going to be the hair of the strawberry. So yeah, making some shadows so that it looks great. And I just love pencil colors, you guys know. So I'm doing it with pencil colors. You can do it with watercolor. And now I'm making the hat. Now for the furry part or the white part, you can add cotton, but I haven't because I don't know why, but I haven't add. But you can. So I'm shading the cotton part so that it looks a bit realistic. And yeah, that is it. Now I will start writing. I will write Merry Christmas. Also, I will not write directly with sketch pen. I just first write with a pencil, and it helps me to choose the fonts or how I really want to write in. And that's magic. No, that's transition. And your first fun and fun card is ready. Merry Christmas. I mean, Merry Christmas. Now for the next card, take the same sheet of paper and I have double bordered it again, and I'm proceeding on making the rough sketch. So I'm making the pine tree, actually a little part of that to show the balls are hanging, means the ornamental balls which we hang on the Christmas tree. So I'm making that. I am describing it because it is looking very light on the screen, I know that. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel, you guys always forget it. Now let's color it. Looks great, isn't it, guys? Let me know in the comment how are you feeling about this Christmas, if it is on, obviously. And also, if you recreate any of this card, then please share it on my Instagram by tagging me. My Instagram handle is shopnil_roy, and I love to see your recreation. And now I have written we love to hang with each other. You can also write we love hanging with each other, whatever you want. And that's it for this card. Hope you like this video. See you on my next video. Till then, goodbye.